Welcome Sjaak Lucassen here at our laboratory from our production plant from Putoline oil. Very welcome. On your special request we have developed a special motorcycle oil with a very low pour point from minus 51 degrees. Peter Dijken, our research and development. What's so special on this product, Peter?
Well, for motorcycle oil, of course, pour point of minus 51 degrees or even below minus 30, you don't see that very often. But of course we are developing also other products, so we have a lot of raw material, base oils, special base oils, synthetic products, where we can reach such characteristics of a lubricant.
Okay.
With this device we are measuring the pour point. The pour point of a fluid, a lubricant in this case, is the point at which the fluid is no longer in motion, in a fluidity state. So the device is measuring from room temperature. Every 3 degrees, when it is cooled down, the point whether the fluid is still flowing. And the point where it reaches a state where it's no longer flowing, that is called the pour point.
And you can guarantee us that Sjaak Lucassen will end this North Pole adventure with this developed product?
That depends on the motorcycle and all Sjaak, of course. But
okay.
But I'm sure under the conditions that he described us, the oil will stay in the fluid condition.
Okay, perfect. Thanks for your assistance, and Sjaak, we wish you all the best. With Putoline oil you will drive at home.